Are you an international student searching for scholarship in Australia for your undergraduate and postgraduate studies? I have an exciting scholarship opportunity to share with you that will cover you throughout your course duration. Let's explore this together. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified. I would like to share with you this scholarship opportunity by the Macquarie University Sydney in Australia. So this is a university in Australia that has wonderful opportunity for international students, and they offer a wide range of scholarships. So when you click on international students, you come to this page where you can see that it has it's a scholarship for international students at Macquarie University. So here it says for you to find a scholarship, you have to select a country. And for the purpose of this video, I would be a Ghanaian. So I'm going to select Ghana. So please feel free to select your country and know what's available. So I'm going to be selecting undergraduate studies. You can also select postgraduate, or if you want English language studies, so whichever one. And now scholarship type, I'm going to be an engineering student, and it says scholarship results. So 8 out of 38 scholarships was found for me, so I can apply to any of these 8 scholarships. This one is 5,000 regional scholarship, Macquarie University, and the award is 5,000 Australian dollar per year, and the duration is the course duration. And this is Vice Chancellor International Scholarship. The award is 10,000 up to 10,000 Australian dollar, but this is a one-off award. And the next one is Macquarie University International Scholarship, and the award is 10,000 Australian dollar, and this is for bachelor's program. So basically all of these are for undergraduate programs. So you also have asylum seeker fee sponsorship, and this covers full tuition fee, and the course duration is the whole of the course. So the next one is African Women in STEM Scholarship. So this is targeted at female students from Africa. So, and the award is 50% of tuition fee and is for the whole duration of the program. This is Faculty of Science and Engineering Women in STEM. So this is also for women in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics departments. If you don't know what STEM is, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So please do well and look through this. I mean, click any of these scholarships if you're interested in them, and please apply to any of those. Before I just click any of them to show us as an example, I'd like to also encourage us to go through this scholarship frequently asked questions, because it's also important to know what the scholarship entails. And if you have any question, for example, it says, how do I apply for a scholarship? It says that you can apply. Some do not require a separate scholarship application. So this means that once you make application to the university for the course program you're interested in, you would be automatically considered. So you do not need a separate application for the scholarship. So I would encourage you to visit each of them and know what each of them entails. And if for any reason you want to contact them, you can also write them an email so that they can have your questions answered firsthand. And now for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to click on this first one, this regional scholarship, to know what it entails. So once you click on this apply button, it brings you to this page where you would see the button for you to register. You have to first of all know the course you want to apply to. So I would click on this course finder to be able to navigate me to find a course. And here it says find a course. So when you're on this page, I would say I'm an engineering student, and it would ask me information for domestic, find a course. So I'm going to find a course for international student. I want information for that. And here I will select engineering, and here it brings me, I'm an international student, and this is the courses. Yes, I'm going to select electrical engineering, electrical and electronic engineering. And here you do well to read through to see what is interesting for you. And I'm going to select Bachelors of Engineering. And here you would now see this information, the UAC code. This code is very important for you to know. The CRICOS code is also important because this is what you would be needing. So make sure at any point you are taking note of what the codes are. You can also print it out to have it, or you share it in your email. So here you click through to look at what this course entails. So these are the scholarships available. So it shows you also the scholarships that we have already seen. So you can already click on any of those and also have a look if you want to apply to also, for example, Vice Chancellor. Maybe you can also already continue from this point and you find out more about it. So after you're already okay, you can just click on apply now, and it brings you now back to this place where you would then officially register. So now you already know the course you want to apply for, and now you can already register if you have not yet created an account, or you log in if you have already signed in before. So I'm going to click on register. And now it brings me to this point. Read the terms and conditions to know what you're applying for and make sure that you accept it. And once you accept, it brings you to this field where you basically everything that is in asterisk and hit register. So I'd like to point out something here. Once I went on to register, at this point, it told me that thank you for your interest in studying at the university. The university accepts applications from your country via a representative agent only. So there are some countries where you would be applying to. For example, I was using Ghana as an example, and it told me that they accept applications from their agent. So I have to click on this link to find out about their agent and apply through the agent. So this is important for you to know. So that was why I decided to show you this. And when I clicked on this link, you can now see how to apply if, for example, you're from Ghana, because that was the example I used. And now it says that you can click here to apply through the approved agent that they have already organized for you. So these are basically the steps you would do. Here you view to check your courses, just like we have done. You check your eligibility and you ensure that you meet the English requirements, and then for you to apply directly to the map directly online. But of course for us it's not possible, so we have to apply through an agent. So when I clicked on this through an authorized agent, it brought me to this point where I can search. So I searched for Ghana, and now it gave me that this is their authorized agents in Kumasi. Them. So yeah, for other countries, please do well to check and go through it and see if you would be redirected to search for an agent or if you can apply directly. So I think this is pretty much it. Please like and share this video if you found it very resourceful so that others could benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and drop your comments and concerns below and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much and I wish you good luck with your applications. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you are going to be trying any of these scholarships. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.